Guys, 410 million trading challenge. It's on again. I just gotta shield the video a little bit in the channel. It's on again. There we go. So people know, people gotta know. People gotta know what's happening. Debuting, how you doing, man? Debuting, the very first one with an arrow. Good evening, Edward. How you doing, man? Pump, pump, pump. What are we gonna long? What are we gonna short? Are we gonna long? Are we gonna short? What are we gonna do next? Big questions, guys. Right now we have a 4-hourly close. 1 minute ago we just had a 4-hourly close. This looks magical, guys. This looks magical for a move towards the upside. The downside over here right now is as most 0.6 right now. Below that, GG. At last, Christopher Kirk, how you doing, man? So, I think Bitcoin is gonna pump. So we're gonna... Oh, this looks like a shorting position over here. This is like, you know, rising wedge. The most beautiful rising wedge you've ever seen in your life. Goes down, but you know. It could do 1% or something like that. Quick scalp, something like that. As you see, we got a 370 bucks because we lost money. We lost money last time we traded. So we're gonna try it again. One more time. Of course. Let's look at a little bit of Bitcoin over here. It looks like it might pull back on the downside. I think, you know, on the 4-hour it might actually pull back first. So, you know, there's that. Maybe there is a wick going on. Maybe the wick. Maybe we get some kind of wick over here towards downside over here. Maybe no wick and we just continue pumping over here. This looks magical, guys. This looks magical. Consolidation right now. Moon up. The move up is happening, guys. I think. It looks nice. It looks nice. It managed to jump. This is a 4-hourly time frame. Very good. Milana Petrov's in the chat. Bam. Damn, John. How you do that? Listen. So, I haven't been looking at charts because I've been busy today. But let's see what's actually happening. Let's go to the daily time frame. Oh, look at that daily, man. Oh, that's dirty. Oh, that's dirty, man. Look at that dollar touch on the 20, man. Look at that doji creating up here. I think this doji is just going to continue up here towards upside. 0.00% ape. 0.00%. This 4-hourly chart. Do you know what the 4-hourly chart reminds me of? Do you guys know what the 4-hourly chart reminds me of? I mean, if you don't see it, I know I cannot help you, man. But do you see what it is? Do you see what this is, guys? Do you see what this is? This 4-hourly chart. I mean, it's not perfect, but you know, it's close. Now tell me these two charts are not the same. Tell me these two charts are not the same, guys. Tell me these two charts are not the same. Yeah, are they the same charts? Wyckoff inverse and shoulders. It's the same charts, guys. It's the same chart. Big move down. Big move down, pull up, bleed down, double bottom. It's playing exactly the same, almost the same. Not 100% same, but almost same. Big fast move up, quick down up, then down and higher up. Down and higher up, zigzag up here, and then this move towards downside. Let's move towards downside. It's the same chart. It is the same chart, guys. I don't know what you're looking at, but it is the same chart. So what the only thing we can conclude right now is that Ape is gonna do the same move that Bitcoin just did. Same move. Same move. Do we dare being bullish? Do we dare being bullish? But before we start, 400 to 1 million trading challenge, guys. Rules, you gotta rules. Trade every day. We do the every day. Right now, I wasn't actually in the mood to do it, but I was like, I cannot, you know, quit the trading challenge after 3 days and losing 30 bucks. It's just not gonna happen. So I gotta trade. We trade every day. We look for a trade for 30 minutes. If we find a trade, we will take the trade in the next 30 minutes. So if you can find a trade, we extend the 30 minutes time frame by another 30 minutes. So entire show will be at most 1 hour without any kind of trade. At least 30 minutes, but you know, it's only good times. You know, we're just watching the charts. The trading goes under the bull market top, sometimes in 2025. And if you miss trading just 1 day, the challenge is over. The challenge is over, guys. Those are the rules, but we should definitely add some kind of trading rules. We gotta have trading rules, because yesterday, we had a loss. You know, we lost $2 and then we revenge traded and lost 30 bucks. So no revenge trading. If you lose a trade, trading day is over. So I just want to say turbo. If you just lose one trade, if you lose trade, doesn't matter what, if that's $1 or $10. If you lose a trade, the trading day is over. Doesn't matter how good the setup can be, you know, 2 minutes from then. If you lose a trade, the trading day is over. Okay, only way you can do 2 trades in a row is if you win the first one. There will be no second trade if you lose the first trade. Down 10% already. Some kind of trading rules. What are you trading, Jay? What are you trading? So I hope this can actually go down a little bit over here. 0.44. Rule number 2, don't short a bull market. Nah, I mean, we are just trading here. You can short and long all of this stuff. Yeah, but yeah, don't short the bull market, guys. Don't short the bull. People are unaware what's happening with the charts. So, you know, sad for them. But look at this move up here, man. Look at this up here move. And then down and then right back up. Can we hope for a move down? I don't know if you can hope for a move down. It's just zigzagging. It's not a perfect chart. It's not a perfect chart for a trade. Maybe it can actually go all the way down to the 50. You know, it touched 50, touched 50, touched 50. Maybe it wants to do the 50 again. Maybe it wants to do 50, and I've seen the Solana is a little bit bullish. Seen some kind of talk about Solana today. Bullish engulfing can above the 10 moving average up here. Can we have this be a little bit move towards downside, please? Can we have this, you know, 0.68 move down on Solana, 0.6% move down on Bitcoin, 0.6% move down. How much is 0.6% move on Ape? Not that much. 3% move down on ApeCoin. What do you think of Uniswap? Well, they got a nice, you know, Uniswap, but the chart I'm not so sure about. Okay, let's look at a little bit other coins and, you know, just quickly see, do we see anything that's right now sitting like golden? Oh, this is golden. Oh, that's nice. Why is Solana so nice, guys? Why is Solana so nice? But there's probably some kind of channel over here, right? There's gotta be some kind of channel over here. Maybe something like this up here. Let's go at 6. It was already down there, so it doesn't need to go, you know, again down there. And it already did this, you know, fake out right now, almost bullish engulfing, but without breaking the support. So it can definitely go up here. It looks okay. Let's zoom in on this part over here and see what's actually happening on the chart. So there was a line up here. That's not broken. There is a line up here. That's broken. So it went up here, give or take. So it went up in this channel, you know, give or take, then went down here, tried to go up, broke down, right now back up here, hugging. The question is which is gonna break first. You know, this move up here towards upside, because that would be stupidly bullish, and then towards downside over here. So this over here right now, this 10-minute chart is the most interesting part. It's the most interesting part. The big question is, where are the lines? Where is the lines? The top up here seems reasonably attractive. So you had this, big move down, right back up here, going towards the upside up here, but it's neither at the bottom nor the top. It's in the middle up here right now. So you're gonna let this one go. Let's see if there's something better. You see up here, it also has this, this V shape with the exhaustion pattern towards the, towards the upside. And although it does look like it might drop down, this is a 5-minute chart. It can actually break towards the upside. If it does break, if you are too bullish, bullish stuff will break up. Last time I saw stream, it was 1.5k balance. But yeah, we restarted the 400 million trading challenge. But yeah, balance was higher. But right now we went back to 400, and right now we are below 400. It doesn't matter. We're gonna get there again. We're gonna get there again. Let me see the moving averages up here on the 1 hourly time frame up here. Bullish engulfing about here, climbing up here about 50. This actually looks legitimately good. So let's see 5-minute chart again. We can just, four more in at the top up here. Do we have time? I think we have time. What kind of downside is it? 0.4%, that's nothing. So if it goes back down below these levels, can we get a red candle? If you get a red candle, we just might get in on Cardano. Why not? I mean, if it goes back below down here already, you can close. So the downside is pretty limited. So we're gonna go. I'm just gonna randomly go Cardano, because the downside is pretty limited, and it's breaking this very bullish move towards the upside. So ADA USDT. Well, technically right now it's no longer, limit. It's like 0.3%, but it's okay. It's okay, 3%. But it's still not broken. Is it broken? Am I seeing the, stuff correctly? Let me see if I see stuff correctly up here. I mean, pretty much. I mean, this just gets extended like 37 right now. Can we have a red candle? See 5 minutes. Is there anything divergent on 5 minutes? Even the 5 minutes is divergent, but it's not broken yet. 1 minute. Let's not be too hasty about this. Well, this seems like spring up here and wants to break towards the upside. It might pull back. I am a little bit unsure whether it's time right now. Bitcoin is doing fine. Bitcoin also wants to go up. Cardano wants to go up. What do we say? Solana wants to kind of fail to go up. But we got green candles all over the place. This look, curvy, very curvy. Big move up over here, then curving up here at the top. Before trade, can I get a red candle? After trade, can I get a green candle? For the love of God. Maybe we should be just looking to short, since it's only red, green candles. It's a green candle, so we should be looking for a short and not a long. Yeah, that's the play of the game. Up here, it's already pumped. Like in the last 4 hours, it's already up something like 1.5%. So, I mean, doesn't mean it's gonna go down, but it is pumping. There we go. Red can fail to break the resistance up here. This could actually be short position over here, right? So everybody thinks, oh, it's gonna break towards the upside. So, you know, we short this thing over here at the 5-minute top of the channel up here, and it goes down, right? Doesn't look weak. Well then, guys, for the focus and no emotion, this is the key. Yeah, well, the emotion part is, you know, it's pretty rough. I gotta tell you that the emotion part is pretty rough, and I'm a little bit unsure whether it's gonna be this. But let's look at a bigger time frames. Let's see bigger time frames and find something of bigger time frames. Then we'll zoom in, because we already kind of missed this one up here, right? And then we got an Altcoin down here. It's below, you know, supports. You just say don't break this, you know, stupid line on the downside over here for whatever reason. The kind of downside is that 0.69. Solana up here. Look at this curving. This actually looks. And Solana is down at some kind of bottom, right? So if everything breaks up, Solana breaks up, right? And it's, you know, 0.50% right now, very, very close down to some kind of bottom up here, and some kind of channel. We have some kind of channel up here, over here. We're just looking at this last part over here. Yeah, this red candle up here, green candle up here is not actually that nice. See, Cardano wants to go up higher. This looks actually bullish, but right now we are losing the steam though. 0.4%. See, 4 hourly. I mean, 4 hourly is technically bouncing, bullish engulfing candle up here, bouncing up here, upside up here towards the resistance, only 0.80. There is not much, you know, short term. But there is this move down here. Well, this looks good though. Yeah, I'm a little bit unsure whether I want to, you know, lower the resistance. You could say that this is some kind of bear flag, but I don't think this is a bear flag over here. Bear flag plays up towards upside. You get an inverse, you know, bar pattern up here. These are inverse bar pattern in bull markets, guys. These are inverse bar pattern in bull markets. FTM looks nice. Yeah, FTM's got the same kind of, you know, stuff that's going towards the upside. Up here. It's pulling back. Solana, what you doing, huh? It came up to the resistance, just pulling back a little bit. But I see bigger sell volume candles than buying volume candles. That might be the case. That might be the case. I don't think I want to short. I'm too bullish to shorting. I'm way too bullish to short. Matic is already up 3.3%. but it looks nice. Did it break the resistance up here? Yeah, I think Matic is already broken the resistance up here. Bouncing up here very, very nicely. Daily closing up here, it's 3.3% up. The only reason I'm hesitant is because 1% move down. The only reason I'm hesitant is because it's leverage. It's leverage. Spot buying. So easy. But it, you know, it went. Tried to go up, got rejected. Tried to go up again, and right now still getting injected. Broke the trend over here. Maybe squaring down. That's not that weak. Let me see what's a lot of volume on right now. AI hot. What's hot right now? Oh, trending. Luna is trending. Cannot be the case. Do they have just all new AI? Is render AI? I don't know. It's 1 million for render. GPT USDT, AX, FAT, Ocean, Rose. Favorites. Link is favorite. Contracts, all. Can I turn off this crap thing? Can you just sort by, you know, name, layer 1? Oh, nice, layer 1. What, Bitcoin is not layer 1? What kind of crap is this, man? Bitcoin is, guys, official. It's official. Bitcoin is not layer 1. Layer 2, OP, near. Yeah, this isn't helping. Another is just, we wanted, you know, long top here, but, you know. Ada, my Ada, why are you going from me, man? I thought we had a deal, Ada. I thought we had a deal. So right now, you know, downside is still 25. I mean, it's just, I'm not catching the bottom. How's Aegis doing? I don't know. How's Aegis doing? I see. A lot of stuff has this bullish engulfing candles. Looks good. A lot of stuff looks good. It's a little bit, you know, a lot of stuff beside Luna, but there are no wicks down. I need a wick. I want a wick. Ethereum Classic. I want a wick down here. Well, that's 1%, you know, down. Can we get a, you know, move down over here and then towards upside? That'd be nice. That would be very, very nice. 1% down there. Shiba. Let me just quickly go over this 4-hourly time frame. Sand is looking too good. A lot of these coins. I've seen a lot of talk about Polka Dot. Why are people talking about Polka Dot? I gotta tell you the truth, this looks like it's gonna dump. Because if this doesn't dump, do you know how bullish that is? How much upside is up here on the 4-hourly? 0.48. Just kind of zigzagging. Aptos. Let's see the daily time frame. Honestly, I want to look at them daily. They are bottoming on daily. Chili's. This is Lawrence coin. This is Lawrence coin. RSR. BNB. BNB looks good now. BNB looks good. But there is so much fun when it comes to BNB. Maybe that's good. Do you know how good BNB is? I've been watching BNB for a while now. and tear this part down here. Now look at his drop over here, man. Right now just consolidating up here on the 200 moving average. When will this go up, huh? Or when will this explode? This looks good though. BNB looks good. Let's go up here to 4 hour time frame. Some kind of shoe pattern up here. Climb up here. The question is it gonna do this move up here? Let's see, daily. Let's climb up here. Weekly. Weekly is down to 30s. Something. 200 moving average. Extensions, but they are pulling back right now a little bit. I don't know, to touch it. And monthly is all the way down at 50 moving average, so you know. Is it gonna be the, you know, turn around, just one of these red candles and then, you know, big move towards upside up here? I don't see how BNB can, you know, fail. I mean, Binance is so big, guys. Binance is so big. People just changed the title to 400 challenge. Yeah. You know what? I think I want to go long on BNB. Let me see Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit. But BNB, I want to do BNB. I want to do BNB. But Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit up here. And now all of the other coins that we just looked at, beside Cardano, is pulling back. Solana, pulling back. Ape, pulling down. Matic, doesn't give a fuck. Phantom, pulling back. But where is BNB? Yeah, this is a small pullback. A tiny little pullback down here. We just need to figure out what's happening over here, because this up here, it might drop down to these lows up here again. If it does that, then it goes up. This is 4 only. It would be nice to catch this, you know, red candle up here, because this red candle did like 2% up, but you know, we're going up here and then 2%. Hi, are we in trade? No trade just yet. You will see on the screen if you enter a trade. Doesn't matter how you draw it. This one up here only. The bottom side looks something like this. So buying down here at 234.9. We are for up or down. I think up, but Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit, which is kind of, you know, juicy and nice. So we are expecting Bitcoin to pull back down here. 348, give or take. And it is pulling down. And we are watching BNB also pull down a little bit. This is the one, and then you got a second one down here. And then just, you know what, we're gonna do horizontal, because we always do these, you know, stuff. Daily. There's all up here. Also up there. There is a resistance up here, pretty decent up here, a couple of times. Some kind of intermediate up here. Move. Let's see if he gets down here again. Tila, please don't hate the money tonight. I'm gonna try, man. I'm gonna try. It's gonna move me everything up here. It's getting into this is 4 hours. It's just getting into this 4. I mean, it doesn't have to drop down. It is very, very close. We could just, you know, randomly long this over here right now. Let's see. This you. It doesn't seem that there is a lot of trading going on with. There doesn't seem there is a lot of trading going on with Binance, with BNB. How much down? There's no way it's gonna go 2.29% because on daily up here. 2.29. How far down is 2.29? It is down into these levels on the downside now. BNB was in that list. Did you see post about CZ about Hong Kong tokens? Yeah. But BNB is also on the list on the SEC, you know, so. I don't trade by the list, guys. I don't trade by the list. I don't really care about the list. Because over here, it's family chart. So the big question is right now, because it already broke down, if it goes up here. Ooh, man, 30 minutes. We don't have a trade setup, guys. We don't have a trade setup. We have something close, but nothing very, very clear. And it's been 30 minutes, and we haven't taken the trade yet. And this is pulling a little bit back on the downside. Cardano is pulling back a little bit on the downside. Bitcoin up here is not yet all the way down to 348. It's just kind of lingering up there. So that's it, guys. That's the stream for today. I don't think, because we've been looking for 30 minutes and I don't see, you know, any clear-cut move. To tell you the truth, I haven't been that prepared, you know. So there is that. But we did try to trade. We did look for, you know, coins. And we'll do the same thing tomorrow. Tomorrow, you know, I would like to say night, but you know, I really don't know when. So I have notifications on, and we'll try to find the trade. But right now, I think everything wants to have a small pullback towards the downside before it goes. Because Bitcoin, if you look at Bitcoin over here, so unless Bitcoin does this move down here for whatever reason, up here, you know, it's actually very, very bullish. And on the daily time frame up here, is that did this? Yeah, probably the, you know, pull back because of the divergence. Was there a divergence up here? Yeah, there is a divergence up here. Also, momentum up here has been going towards downside, but you know, we have been going down over here, so you know, maybe it's gonna pull back a little bit more and then go eventually towards the upside. I don't think it's time yet. We got 6 days left until you know, the super moons, so there is that. But there will be no trade today. I'm a little bit unsure, and I haven't been prepared that well, but we looked at the charts. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you same time, same place, almost same time, but definitely same place tomorrow morning or night. I don't know. If I sleep well, it's gonna be in the morning. If I don't sleep well, it's gonna be in the night. So, you know, take care, guys. But I like BNB, I don't know. I think that there's too much fun on BNB, and you know, it's gonna play out eventually. Bye-bye. Where's my outro? Outro.